Keith, why does it seem after crashes you become more of a short-term trader instead of making bets that you hold for months, trend and tail based on the quads?
Yeah, well, because that's what you need to do in a bear market. You need to fight. You need to fight for your gains. Think about it. Every day in a bear market, I'd say it's probably not a gross overestimation of reality that at least 90% of people are playing against you, right? So again, when you're winning, you just book it. It's not short-term trader, it's short-term gainer is what I'm trying to do. Again, my net worth, just think about whatever your pile is, right? Let's say that I'm worth $500,000. Let's say that that's what I'm worth. Well, as of yesterday, I covered my energy short. Now I'm covered my energy short, and on Friday I covered a bunch of my U.S. equity sector shorts. Okay, now I'm worth $525,000. That's all I'm doing. It's not short-term trader. It's a selfish gainer. That's what I was doing. Okay, so I know a lot of you struggle with it because you need to like short and hold, like you buy and hold. I mean, or some of you are like, well, I can't follow all the moves. Well, too fucking bad, right? I mean, you got it. This isn't easy. Making money in a bear market isn't easy. Absolutely not. Think of how many different people are shooting at you. So I'm from Thunder Bay, Ontario. Some people call me when I'm bearish the Thunder Bay Bear. I can survive with a lot of people hunting for me, and that's why I do that. By the way, I just want to make sure, well, this is in my head because I see all these questions. I want to make sure that everybody knows temporally what a bear market looks like. So again, when you go from the bear, and again, the most important thing is when you come from the cycle peak. So we're going to use 3386 in the S&P 500. That's the cycle peak. We'll make it green just so that everybody knows what the market did literally for 3 months. Every Trump and pump, every asset allocator, everybody marking their books up, chasing the bogeys, fully loaded. Don't forget that was the peak, all right? So February the 19th, that was the peak. Now, a bear market starts to develop like this. It's still a bull market. Then it breaks trend. Oh. Then virus. Okay. Now, this bear market, when it was down minus 35% from its cycle peak, the S&P 500, that could be a short-term bottom. Absolutely. Abso-fucking-lutely, right? Write it down. He said it could have been a bottom. Short-term bottom, right in front of it. Short-term, abso-fucking-lutely, right? So then you get that, then you get your big bounce. This is, by the way, you get a bounce up to here, right? Then, with time and space, this thing can go like this. Then it goes like this, and down here, right? This period between here and here could be 6 months. That's a bear market, right? Trading like people accusing me of being short-term. Think about how short-term it is to expect the recession, depression, and bear market to have been priced in 6 weeks.